The mathematical induction is one of the more recently developed technique of proof in the history of mathematics. It is one of the more recently developed technique. You can call it as technique, tool, otherwise method, which is recently developed in a history of mathematics. The mathematical induction is a powerful fundamental technique of proving the results about all natural number. We have to prove the results statements for all natural numbers only. Natural numbers means it's a counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, which is positive integer only. Okay. Definition of mathematical induction means the mathematical induction is a technique or tool, otherwise method to prove the mathematical statement, formulas, theorem, which is thought to be true. We have to consider to be a true only. Then only we have to use this technique to prove that theorem, otherwise formula for each and every natural number. Natural numbers means it should be greater than or equals to 1. Okay. By generalizing this is in the form of principle which we would use to prove any mathematical statement is a principle of mathematical induction. Okay, it is used generalizing this is in the form of principle which we would use to prove any mathematical statement is a principle of mathematical induction. Okay, that means the mathematical induction means that you have to understand that it is one of the technique, otherwise tool, otherwise we will use the tool na calculator, we will calculate the numbers, like we have to, this is one of the mathematical tool, you can call it as it is a mathematical tool, otherwise technique, otherwise the method used to prove the statements, formulas, otherwise theorems. Okay, for what? For all natural numbers only.